Pagkatapos magsimba ng pororot, manang-mana sa nanay. Lagi na lang pag umaalis. Palaspas pa yan. Oh. Uy, yung tampo na naman. I'll go to Subic. Only 3 days lang ako doon.
That's not 3 days. It's only 1 day.
Okay, 1 day. 1 day?
Opo.
Okay. Oh, let's video call naman eh. Oh, Clay, there's a car dyan, ha? Hawakan mo siya, Arian.
Okay?
Ha?
Don't think about it.
Clay, there's a car dyan. Ay, may pupo. Shh, shh. You hold your hand. Clay, kalsada to, oh. May biglang car. Kaya nakapambahay lang kami. Biglang-biglang nagiyato si Clay. Tapos nagmamadaling umalis. Eh di wow. Ano Sunday ngayon, di ba? April 13 ata. Palm Sunday. Ari mo kita tatakbo kasi tatakbo rin si Clay. Tapos may biglang car. Ari, bibiglan tumatawid dyan na car. Clay, don't run. There is a procession daw, Clay, on sa Tuesday ata.
I don't want to see procession.
Procession.